I'm Lindsay Ralston, and this is how to put Christmas lights in a girl's room. Christmas lights you might think of as only being used in December, but for this project I'm going to show you how to take some pink Christmas lights, used in conjunction with a wooden loft bed or wood bunk bed, to make some really fun ambiance in a girl's room. Let's get started. The best way to do this project is to just start stapling. Get your staple gun out and your Christmas lights, and you just start stapling to the wood underside of the bed until you get through the whole length of your lights. When you're using the staple gun, make sure to place the staple gun centered on top of the Christmas light cable so that the staple itself goes to either side of that cord. Some tips that'll help you with this are to make sure you maybe loop it around the outside first and then zigzag in the middle, but ultimately you just kind of want to make a pattern until you finish to the end of the string of lights. And once you're done, now you have a wonderful ambiance in your girl's room.